Hop là. Okay, cool. I've ordered 2 cloning universal gates because mine is broken, like you can see. You can see the size also, it's really shorter. I'll buy this one from Banggood. I pay €4.66. You add 4 buttons. I will show you how to do it for programs them. I will show you how to clone your first remote to the new one. It's pretty easy. You need to press at the same time the 2 buttons, the A and the B. You get 3 flashlights. Remove your right finger and press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You get the flash. That's good. Take the remote to clone. Press at the same time on the 2 buttons. Let's go. You get 3 flash. You need to wait. You can move a little bit your control until you get the first one and until you get the study. So the first one is done. Now you want to do the second one. Same. You need to go really A, B, C, D. You can go just C. So same. We press. We wait. Okay, wait, and it's not flashing anymore. So that's perfect. And you can do like that. So, if you want to restart because you make an error or because you had a new remote, you leave, or you had something else to flash, I've seen on the website, nobody for now found how to erase what you press on. So I will show you. Again, you need to press N and B for erase everything. Flash, leave the right button, press 3 times, and you see, if you press, nothing happens. So I hope you understand. Leave a comment. Okay, let's see if that is working. So button 1, press. Perfect, that's working.